Trillium House is a home where people can come who can't be at home any longer. Hospice comes here and takes care of their patients just like they were in their own homes. Without our community, we couldn't offer this service.
I really just wanted to help people and watch them heal and get better, and I want to be a part of that. I want to nurture someone back to their full health, and I have people in my life that are nurses that are positive role models for me that really inspired me to become a nurse. So I'm Raven Jacobson. I am a student at Northern Michigan University. I'm studying nursing. I just started the first semester of the nursing program. It's being able to sit with each patient and hear their story and see different people from all walks of life, and being able to be someone that's caring and supporting for them as they're going through this really difficult time in their life and this transition. It's not easy for everyone, and to be able to support the family and also the patients is really rewarding for me.
So we offer people a safe place to go that's safe, but it's so much more than that. Our community built this place, and our community continues to support this place. So it's almost like a grassroots thing. Like, people continually pop up with gifts and donations and funds to help us continue to provide care to people who can't be at home anymore, so that they can have a dignified and peaceful and safe and caring end-of-life experience.
It's not something to be afraid of, and I think that's what we do here, is support our patients in making them comfortable with that transition. Yeah.
The most rewarding thing about working at Trillium is seeing the impact that we have in the lives of the people who are here day after day. Residents, families, community members, volunteers, our staff are really impacted, and the general good that we get to do for the community. I think Trillium's had a connection to Northern from the very beginning. We've always hired students to work here while they're going to school. We have even deepened our relationship with Northern in the last year or two.
NMU has helped me with this experience, with this job, by providing a really great education, a good foundation to build off of, by learning all the different skills that I need in order to successfully do my job here, whether that be like just communicating with patients or knowing different signs and symptoms of disease, what different medications do. It's all been taught to me in the classroom, and now I'm able to apply it each day.